she is looking for a partner. Finding a suitable one should be easy. Dominant male orangutan in Borneo have huge cheek pads. This one would be quite a catch. Normally, it's the males who pursue the females, but sometimes a female may have to take the initiative. This sort of behaviour is very seldom seen, but the feeling does not seem to be mutual. Never mind, there's plenty more swingers in the trees. This one has a higher rank, so he is an even more desirable mate. An orangutan with an appetite like this should be strong. If only he had eyes for her too. Oh well. The search continues. This male hasn't yet developed cheek pads, but looks aren't everything. He seems keen on sticking around. Could he be the one? The two of them are soon inseparable, even going so far as moving in together, sharing a nest. It's not long before she's showing. Orangutan pregnancies last the same length of time as human ones. At last, her son, just 10 days old. For the next 8 years, she will devote her time to teaching him how to live and find food in the forest. And for the time being at least, her search for a mate is over.